everyone, and welcome back to a new video where I'll show you what I eat in a day, especially now during quarantine. There's so much focus on cooking for yourself, and that's what I have been doing as well. I hope that wherever you are that you're safe, but also that you're staying in a positive vibration, because now more than ever it's super important, and especially because your mental state and how you feel can also influence your health. So that's why I wanted to post more videos here to offer you positive inspiration, but also love and light, because that's also been that has always been my focus on my channel. But I think now it's even more important than ever, and I'm also super grateful because this allows me to connect to all of you, especially during these times where you have to social distance, but that doesn't mean that we cannot form authentic connections through the internet. So in this video I'm gonna share you what I ate. Let me know in the comments what you have been eating lately, and especially if you have been snacking, which is your favorite quarantine snack. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So this morning I'm starting with my lukewarm water with lemon and also some coconut oil, because both are really good for detoxing or antibacterial, and lemon juice is also really good for your vitamin C intake. And it also helps boost your collagen and kickstart that. Plus it also helps eliminate the toxins from your gut, which is so important even normally, but especially now. And then every 2-3 days I take bentonite clay, also with lukewarm water. Make sure you only stir it with something wooden, not metal, because otherwise it takes away the benefits. It helps with acid reflux, constipation, but also for detoxing your gut. So because bentonite clay absorbs toxins that harm our body, and these toxins also include pesticide, lead and metals. It's also good with allergies, poison ivy, nausea, bloating, constipation. It's good for so many things. And of course the taste is yucky, but then again sometimes you have to take it in because it's also for the benefit of a greater health. So this is what I look like when I put in the water, and then I continue to stir it until it becomes smooth. And this is what it kind of looks like, and as I mentioned before, the taste is yuck, but after a while you will get used to it, and especially if you know all the health benefits attached to it, then it's worth it. And before eating them, then I wash them in some water with vinegar. You can also add some baking soda because then it helps clean the fruits, but also eliminate most of the pesticides. So for the base I use some Alpro soy yogurt with the flavor of peach, which is so yummy. I could even eat it like this, but I'm gonna pile some fruits on top of that to make it pretty healthy food and extra colorful, but also packed with vitamins and nutritions. And then I'm also adding some chia seeds, which has so many benefits as well. I will add a link to my Pinterest board where I tend to collect all the benefits of these superfoods, what I call, because this helps me remind me as the health benefits of specific things, and it also motivates me when I need an extra reminder to eat extra healthy. For my morning drink, I'm having my delicious Matcha Latte, which also is really good for your immune system, and I'm using the Oatly milk, which is such a cool brand. I will try to see if I can find the video that links the history of this brand, because it's really cool. And lately I've been trying to heat up my milk more just in the pot instead of the microwave. Same goes for my food, because it has a lot of downsides using the microwave too much, so I'm trying to balance it more out. And this is the matcha powder that I got at the Asian supermarket. They have many different types. They also have an organic one, which I'm going to try next time. So this time I was able to find red kidney beans at the store again. So what I did is I add them in the mixer, and then also add a clove of garlic, add some leftover green onion, mayonnaise, and then some salt, and if you prefer you can also add some pepper, and then it makes a really nice creamy spread for your bread, like toast or rice cracker. And this is the creamy result, and it is so tasty, especially because I love onion and garlic, and then in combination with the mayonnaise and the beans is simply delicious. Plus, if you want to make it vegan, then just replace it with vegan mayonnaise. And these are the ingredients I will be using for my curry. I will start with the minced ginger and garlic for the flavor, and also to like marinate and give it more flavor. We'll add the vegetables later, then add the Thai red curry, and if I need some more spice and seasoning, I will add this on top of salt and maybe pepper. Then I will use coconut milk, so then it will be probably vegan. I'm not sure about this one, but I'm pretty sure it's vegan as well. And for the rice, I made some basmati rice, and I added some turmeric, like it's actually a golden milk. So I added this in my rice. Normally it's not made to put in rice, but I thought like why not, because like it has turmeric, cinnamon, which are also good for your immune system, and it's also really good for your skin. And the basmati rice comes from Himalaya River, from the River of Purity. I really like basmati rice because it's really soft in texture, and it's also rich in flavor, and it can easily take the flavor of whatever spices you put into it. And look at this. Doesn't it look like happiness in a plate? It's colorful, it's healthy, it's pretty healthy, so it also looks good, but it's also good for the inside out. And I also will be having a delicious coconut Kit Kat. Like, I eat healthy most of the time, and from time to time I just need some chocolate or something sweet. And I'm still trying to reduce the amount of sugar I ate. It's not as much as it used to be. So in the morning I have my matcha latte, and at night I have my curcuma latte, also known as golden milk, because it's also good at detoxing your liver, which is perfect to aid your liver at night to help to do this. Then I also add a bit of coconut oil in it, because then it also has extra antibacterial functions. Oh, and I wanted to film it right now because right now the light is good, and at night I wouldn't be able to really show it. I also drink this with oat milk, and then if needed I'll add some stevia or some agave syrup. So there's this Kivrin artist called Dino Santiago, and he released a new album, Criolla, and it's such a nice album. It has like really positive vibes, and it's like very mellow as well, very now. And even though like I think it will be a great album to perform outside, I also think that even if you're inside you can enjoy this the music as well. I really like the one Criolla and Morabez as well, so I will link it below so you can also listen to his music, Dino Santiago. So at first I was snacking quite a lot. Like I don't tend to buy a lot of snacks, so luckily that like stops it right there. I do have a stash of Kit Kat chocolate, and luckily I haven't been eating it all day. And then I also had some cassava chips. I don't like regular potato chips, so luckily I don't have a big appetite for all different type of snacks, and usually I don't buy them, so then I don't have them at home. But like my cravings can be so weird, because like one day I can crave like a pack of noodles, and then the next day I want like a plate filled with green vegetables. So luckily I have more healthy cravings and bad cravings. But because I haven't been moving as much, I'm not as hungry. So usually I eat around twice a day, and I'm trying to move more inside, but because like I'm moving less, I'm also less hungry. I don't know, what is it like for you? Or like, are you crazy on the snacking, or are you more like on the healthy food tour? It's really important that we're aware of what we're feeding our bodies, but also our minds, our soul, and our hearts. Look at these colorful vegetables. It's a mix of broccoli, pumpkin, and red cabbage. And to finish it, I also add some soy sauce, because like this makes it extra flavorful, especially combining it with the sesame oil, and it also adds a rich brown color, which the Chinese fried rice is known for. And instead of making it totally vegan, you can also add these vegan wok bits and pieces of vegan chicken, which is delicious. So soon I will be baking something. It's like inspired by bread pudding, but instead of using bread I'm using croissants, because like to me it's fluffier, and then I don't need as much to like really fill it up. Then I also will add some custard, some chocolate sprinkles, and I really want to add some coconut, because I really love coconut. And then next time I'll also make like a couscous salad with, of course, Moroccan couscous, and then this salad enrichment which has kidney beans but also corn, and then some natural dressing. Then I will add some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and some rucola to it as well. So I will be showing that in my upcoming video. And then I got this bath bomb from Rituals, which says "You're the bomb." It's a fizzing bath bomb with flamingo flower and pink grapefruit. So it's part of their collection, the Ritual of Holy. Color your world with love, and I will be using it for my bath. I will be featuring this in a pampering routine video, where I'll show you what I do when I'm pampering myself. And since we all have abundance of time, maybe it will inspire you to take better care of yourself as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, but also feed yourself with positive energy. Soon I will be making a video, a get ready with me video, where I do my makeup, but also share tips on how to stay positive. And then after that, I'll also be sharing a video with colorful spring dresses. Because even though we're inside, that doesn't mean that we cannot take care of our beauty, but also of our fashion style. Because like that's one of the few things that we have power and control over. So dress yourself up, because there's no extra reason or special reason necessary for you to feel beautiful inside and out. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video.